Okay, let's practice making a line plot. The first thing I need to do is I need to look at my data here. I need to look at this table and see, what am I actually looking at? Why did they record this data? What kind of data is this? So I notice it says student. So these must be a list of students, and it says water drank, and in parentheses it says in cups to let me know what the unit of measurement is. Okay, so this must be a list of students and how much water they drank. Okay, next I need to figure out what is the range. The range would be the smallest measurement, the smallest amount of water that they drank, to the largest amount. So I'm looking through here and I see 1 cup. Let me see if anything is less than 1. And I know if it's less than 1, it would be a fraction, a proper fraction. And everything I see here is 1 or greater, because remember, 1 2/4 means 1 and a little bit extra. So I don't see anything less than 1. 1 must be my lowest measurement. So I'm going to circle it to remind myself that's the lowest. Now let me find the largest number. Okay, I see 2 cups. Is there anything more than 2 cups? Up 2 2/4. So there's my smallest measurement, my largest measurement. So I can't stop at 2, because I have 2 and a little bit more. I might as well go from 1 all the way till 3. So I'm going to put 1 here, and I'm going to try to evenly space these out. 2 and 3. And I'm going to do my little tick marks here. And then I need to decide what I'm going to partition each of these whole numbers into. I notice up here there's denominators that say 4. So I think it'll be a good idea to partition them into fourths. Now remember, when we partition into fourths, since it's an even number, we can start by first dividing the whole number in half. And then I can remember, when I'm dividing into fourths, I only have to draw 3 lines. Okay, there's fourths. And I'm doing this on my computer with my mouse, so I'm trying my very best. It's not easy. There we go. Now, remember, I need to label all of them, all of the tick marks. Even if that measurement doesn't appear on here, I can't just skip over a number. When I'm counting, I can't ever say 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. You can't skip over numbers. So 1 1/4, 1 2/4, which some of you know is the same thing as 1 1/2. 1 3/4, 2, which will be the same thing as 1 4/4. Okay, so I have 2 and 2 1/4. 2 2/4, same thing as 2 1/2. 2 3/4. And then 3, which would be like saying 2 4/4. Okay, now I need to plot my data. I like to do check marks beside each one as I do them, so I can remember that I did them. And I am going to, since I can do this on my computer, I'm going to make an X over here, and I'm going to make it the size that I want it. And I'm going to do something called drag a copy. That way I can make mine on the computer all the same size. Okay, so I see 1 cup for Liam, and I'm going to put a little check mark because I did that one. And then I have 1, Levi drank 1 2/4. When I do it, I need to make sure that it is lined up with Liam's, so my line plot makes sense. Okay, now Avery drank 2 cups. Line it up. Put my check mark. Zoe drank 1 3/4 of a cup. Charlie drank 2 cups. Deacon drank 2 cups. Wow, a lot of people drank 2 cups. Pierce drank 3 cups. Pierce must have been pretty thirsty. I'm lining them up. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to put my check mark by Pierce. I better put it there. 2 2/4 for Knox. I'm lining it up with that second one right here.